Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the carrier bearing and any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Cut out the rivets retaining your factory carrier bearing crossmember, followed by punching out the rivets using a punch. You can cut your crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Slide your replacement carrier bearing crossmember onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. Once aligned, screw the included hardware into place on the side and bottom of your frame rail. Tighten your hardware with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your carrier bearing. Then you're done.